Hello everyone, my name is Stanislav Popelka. I'm from Palacký University in Olomouc, Czech Republic, and today I would like to tell you something about Scanpath comparison using ScanGraph for educational and learning purposes. The objective of my presentation is to introduce you to the ScanGraph tool, which reads data from OGAMA, as in my case, but it's also possible to convert data from the BI trackers. The Scanpath comparison is calculated based on string array distance, but the tool can be also used for visualization of multi-batch case results. The tool is freely available at our website. And this is how its environment looks like. In the beginning, you can upload your data, select the calculation method, Levenstein, Demerol-Levenstein, Needleman-Wunsch, and then select the desired level of similarity. In the middle, you can see different dots. Each dot represents one participant, and the color of the dot represents its belonging to the group, like students or teachers. Those who are connected by lines are those whose stimuli reading strategy was similar at given level, in this case 85%. And you can see the order of visited areas of interest here in the bottom. Today I would like to introduce you two case studies where ScanGraph was used. The first one is the one where map reading strategy of 30 students was compared with the strategy of their geography teacher. We used ScanGraph, concretely Levenstein distance and multi-match calculation, and the results are on the right side. You can see that for task 09, the teacher used completely different strategy than the students do, so she's not connected with any of them. In contrast, in task 02, the teacher used very similar strategy to the students, so she's connected with many of them. In second study, we compared students reading graphs in physics, and these students were assigned to 3 groups by a physics teacher. And ScanGraph helped us to validate this assignment. You can see it here. These are the groups, minus, average, and plus, and these highlighted columns represents the participants whose similarity to all the others in the group was the lowest. So these ones were badly assigned by the teacher. Besides these educational studies, ScanGraph has been already used in different fields, as you can see here. And that's all from my side, and I'm looking forward for the discussion with you.